1985 Chevrolet Caprice Classic. Runs and drives great. Looks like it's original paint. Might have been stopped painted through the years, but it looks mostly original. It's in great shape. We put brand new tires on it, did the AC. Has a power driver's seat. We sell and ship worldwide. We finance nationwide. Please visit our website for more information on that. Just scroll down, there's a link to the website in the description of this video. This car used to have a vinyl top on it. The reason why we haven't put it on the last few days is because we're trying to get a vinyl top put back on it. But these companies here in Miami are either backed up or just making excuses. We don't know, we can't figure it out. Name of the company right there, Car Connection, phone number and website. So we're offering it as is. When they took the top off, they did a decent job painting the top. A couple of cracks on the dash right there, not uncommon. Interior is clean, original. You see, like I said, did a nice, decent paint job on the top. Looks pretty good with the two-tone. It's got a little flaw right there. Not too bad. We were gonna get that fixed when we did the top over again. This car is showing 26,000 miles on the 5-digit odometer. So do your homework on that, please. Nice and stock, just like you like it. 305 running great. Thanks for watching.